everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So if it's your first time stopping in, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. You may have been brought to this video because of the title of this video, so just stick it through and check out the rest of the channel if you're interested. I am a personal trainer, that's my job, but the majority of my channel is about cars because that's my passion, my hobby, but I do mix in some fitness stuff. Obviously, I want to get a little better at putting that stuff into my channel, but the cars is kind of really my passion outside of work, and don't like to film a lot while I'm working, but I do like to throw in some fitness stuff here and there, and that's what this video is about. It's fitness related. So if you're looking for the Hellcat videos, just wait on a few more parts, and you guys will see some updates real soon on the Hellcat. It's almost finished. I'm really excited about it. But yeah, like I said, if it's your first time stopping in, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. So I've got a few errands to run, and then we'll get to the title of this video. One of you, my subscribers, Joseph Cummings, he's got an F-150 and I had an F-150, and I was using the Forescan software, not to be confused with Forescan software, to kind of hack the stock computer to do some really cool stuff. And you can do it on like Ford, Mazda, a couple other vehicles. But anyways, I had the OBD2 plug still from my truck. I didn't sell it with it, so it's no trouble to me, and they're really inexpensive, so I figured I'd ship it to him for free. So shout out Joseph, you're getting the free OBD2 plug and a couple other things that I decided to throw in, but you'll see them when you get them. So I gotta go run a few errands, and then we'll get to this video here in just a second, so I'll see you guys at the gym. Okay, so from the title of the video, I'm not calling out Christian Guzman, he's never even going to watch this anyways, but it was more so to get people to click on the video for my review of the Ghost pre-workout. So this one specifically is sold out, but this is Christian Guzman's own flavor. It's blue lime. They also have fruit punch, sour warheads in black cherry, and then watermelon. I've never had the fruit punch, so I can't say on the fruit punch, but the blue lime is not my favorite. I'll say that. I bought it because it was a special edition. I was like, well, I'll be one of the, however many units they did, 500 or whatever it was, to actually have this one. And I tried it. It's really good. It's definitely got a sour taste to it, but I think the sour watermelon is still my favorite. So I've taken, I don't even know how many pre-workouts. I've been lifting like 8 to 9 years now. Obviously you can't tell because I'm skinny as shit, but I've taken a lot of pre-workouts, and Ghost always has the best flavoring. No matter if it's the best product or not, it has the best flavoring by far. You can send me any pre-workout, I guarantee Ghost beats it. And I don't know, once I tried it at the Olympia, I was really impressed, and actually went and bought some. And pre-workouts are hard to impress me because really they claim all these like muscle gains and size gains, and you'll be this and that, blah blah blah, whatever. at the end of the day, pre-workouts are used just for energy. Now, the creatine, the beta-alanine, those types of things, obviously they've shown muscle gains, but for the most part, I only take a pre-workout just for the energy, because this has, I think, like 250 milligrams in this. So you could go drink a Bang and get more caffeine if you want, but this has a couple other things, obviously to help you with a pump, and it's got creatine and beta-alanine in it as well. But like I said, I don't take them for those, because if I'm going to take creatine or beta-alanine, I'll probably just take them separately by themselves and then take an energy drink. But as far as pre-workout goes and getting energy for the gym, kind of getting motivated, I do highly recommend the Ghost one. This is not my favorite flavor. Sorry, Christian. Sorry, Ghost. I think the Sour Warheads is by far, out of the park, the best flavor of any pre-workout. Like I said, you can send me tons of pre-workouts. I guarantee the Ghost is still going to taste the best, because I've had their other stuff, their protein. I haven't tried the pump yet, that just came out, but I've tried the size. Their flavors are far superior than anyone's other flavors, so I don't know who does them, but they're really good. But if you want to try a really good pre-workout, I'm not paid by Ghost, but you should definitely try the Ghost pre-workout. Their stuff's really good, and like I said, it tastes freaking amazing. You may take half a scoop to start out with, because it does have 250 milligrams of caffeine, so if your caffeine tolerance is pretty low, you definitely want to be careful with taking too much caffeine. But I have pretty high tolerance, so I'll take a scoop of this now. If I work out anytime after like 2 or 3 o'clock, I don't take it because, well, I won't be sleeping and I have to wake up really fucking early. So that's that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that little cinematic clip of me working out, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this little review of Ghost pre-workout. If you haven't tried it, I do recommend it. Obviously you can't get this one anymore because it's limited edition, but I highly recommend the Sour Watermelon. It's got some good ingredients in it, but mainly I take these for the energy, and that's that. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment below what's your favorite pre-workout, and if you've tried Ghost, do you like it or not, because I like to hear everyone's feedback. But if you want to see more supplement reviews, just let me know below and we'll do some more. Like I said, this is mainly a car channel, but I am a personal trainer by trade, so I throw some stuff in there for fitness. It is what it is. Make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Bambi39, and we'll see you guys on the next one.